What's going on, guys? Kelly Smith from Wild Country Tactical today. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a little personal today. Stick around. On today's video, I've got Anointed.AK. It's a beard oil company. These guys are out of Eagle River, Alaska. They were kind enough and gracious enough to actually send me some beard oil. I've never been one of these guys that always put this stuff on their faces. I've had a beard, facial hair probably since I was 14, maybe younger than that. As soon as I started shaving, it was like, yeah, it was all over with. But these guys were gracious enough to actually send me some stuff, to actually send me some of this beard oil. I've never been a person to think about beard oil as part of my daily regimen. I never thought I'd ever have to have beard oil on my beard. But they were gracious enough to actually send me some. And I tell you, I'll be honest with you, what they sent me, I'm in a neat little burlap bag. They sent a couple little stickers, which, you know, that's cool. Lunchtime's over with, guys. Go back to work. They sent me a couple little stickers. Hashtag bless beards. And then their logo sticker, which is pretty cool. Got their little Instagram account right there. Anointed.AK. They sent me in some lip balm with this little Scruff and Stuff lip balm. Can I say that? Focus. They done a little Scruff and Stuff beard balm. But the two biggest things and two biggest reasons why I'm actually very happy that they sent this, they actually sent me two different types of beard oil. One is the SlumberJack. If you don't see that too, just right. But it's actually the SlumberJack, and they sent me the Awaken. Cool. When I first got it, you could smell the whole. You can smell both of these when I first opened the box. It was just, wow, it was awesome. Now I have had this probably, this is July. I've probably had it about, I guess, since probably November, December, something like that. But it's kind of the reason why I wanted to kind of do a little personal video with this, because this stuff is a little personal, you know. It's something that you take care of your beard with, that, you know, they take the time to actually handcraft all this stuff. This is the Awaken. Oh gosh, it smells so good. But the Awaken actually has, oh god, it smells so good. It actually has peppermint, tea tree oil, and orange bitters. Gosh, this stuff smells so good. Now, I've had a few different type of beard oils in the last few months. Be honest with you, since I've had this one, I think I said I got it in November of last year. They sent it to me. That Awaken, I put it on every morning. Try to put it on every morning. I try to do it at least 3 times a week, if not more. But I want to tell you something. That Awaken, it just brightens up my morning. But also too, my beard has changed. The softness of it has changed. The feel of it, the growth of it has changed. It just, there's something about it. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just beard oil in general, but it's awesome. That stuff just smells so good. But I tell you one thing I like about this too. Well, a lot of the beard oils that I've had, and especially some of the ones I'm testing right now, that they left my beard so woolly, and I don't like that. That's one reason why I never kind of started this whole beard oil, beard balm stuff. But with the Awaken, And I'm pretty sure most of the other brands they got like 26 different types of scents and different type of oil, but it actually left my beard smooth, but it didn't leave it that oily feel. Now they've got another one, like I said, the SlumberJack. Now guys, the SlumberJack. This one actually I put on at nighttime. It's actually a nighttime form of beard oil. It's again 100% organic. I'll let y'all read that. Focus! And it's not going to focus. Anyway, but it says right there on the bottle, it's 100% organic. This stuff is 100% organic. Oh gosh, that SlumberJack. My wife, she knows exactly when I put this stuff on, especially at night. And you can tell I've used it a lot. SlumberJack actually has lavender, warm vanilla, sugar, and it's for a nighttime use. Pearberry. It has pearberry in it too. Oh gosh, this stuff smells so good. Wish my whole house would smell like that, like this stuff. But this is a ½ ounce. I believe this is a ½ ounce bottle. The bigger Awaken is in a full 1 ounce bottle. The 2 oils that they sent me. I love this stuff, guys. I don't know. I've got 2 more that's in my possession right now that I'm kind of swapping out in between, and I'm not too happy with them. But I love this stuff. Awaken is awesome. But there you go, guys. That's Awaken, and that's SlumberJack. And that's Anointed.AK. Actually, you can use my promo code. I actually have a promo code. Use Wild Country Tactical. You get 15% off each purchase. Might be doing some stuff with them, hopefully here in the next few weeks. I've got to get some things planned out with them. So stick around for that one, because I will be posting a little more content about it, about using their products, because I'm actually going to be posting it on my website at wildcountrytactical.com. Also, guys, like I said, today's video is just a down and personal video. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to make it a little more personal, because stuff like this is a little more personal to me, because it's something that I put on actually on my body. It's not like something fishing lure or tactical stuff or guns. It's something that this actually goes on me. It's something that I use daily. So guys, go check them out on Instagram. It's Anointed.AK. Check me out on Instagram, Wild Country Tactical. And guys, this is the end of it for me. Y'all have a good one. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.